To continue drinking great-tasting water from your PUR Faucet Filtration System, learn how and when to easily change your filter. Each filter is certified by the NSF and WQA. To ensure that your filter continues to provide drinking water, each PUR Faucet Filtration System has a built-in clean sensor monitor, which indicates your filter's status with a flashing light. When in use, the indicator light briefly flashes. A green light means that your filter is working properly. Yellow means your filter should be changed soon. And red, your filter is at the end of its life and needs to be replaced. Installing your new filter is quick and easy. Simply remove the PUR Faucet Filtration System from the faucet by turning the threaded mounting nut clockwise. Twist the back cover to open and remove the used filter cartridge. It's safe to put it in your regular garbage. Make sure the new filter cartridge is oriented correctly and simply insert the new filter inside the device. It's normal for the filter to fit loosely. Replace the cover and reattach the device to the faucet. When mounting the PUR device to your faucet, it must be level to ensure a proper seal. Finger tighten by turning the threaded mounting nut counterclockwise. Before using, flush the cartridge by letting cold water run through the filtration channel for 5 minutes. The indicator light will flash green 6 times to notify that the filter is working properly. If you see cloudy water or hear the sound of water pushing air through the filter cartridge, this is normal and will end once the system is flushed. Your new filter cartridge will last approximately 3 months, allowing you to continue enjoying great-tasting water from your PUR Faucet Filtration System. For more information, visit PUR.com.